Senbetzkano, Nemek Michael Klecheski Gidik, Be American Ilchin said, and let me now switch to English and welcome you to my home office, because like so many people in Mongolia and at our embassy, I'm practicing social distancing and working from home today. Although I'm not able to meet you in person during these difficult times, I did want to let you know that our important diplomatic work with our strategic partner Mongolia and in support of American citizens, of course, is still moving ahead. But first, I want to take a moment to express my sincere thanks for healthcare workers and officials in Mongolia and in the United States who are working on the front lines and working tirelessly to help bring an end to this pandemic and help support our communities. We must all do what we can to support them, of course, and help flatten the curve. Serving American citizens in Mongolia really is our highest priority, and our consular section at the embassy has been working very, very hard to provide assistance and information to American citizens. The embassy is open for American citizens, so please see our website to contact us. I strongly encourage American citizens in Mongolia who haven't already done so to register with STEP, which is the Smart Traveler Enrollment Program. This allows you to receive important information about health and safety from us, and to help us contact you in case we have to in an emergency. I also urge everyone to depend on reliable, accurate sources of information. We have created a dedicated coronavirus webpage, which includes links to official information in both Mongolian and in English. So my government, the government of the United States, is very, very proud to provide support for Mongolia's healthcare system during this pandemic. The U.S. has provided $1.2 million to help Mongolia fight coronavirus. But that is really just the latest contribution we've made to Mongolia's healthcare system. Since Mongolia chose this path of democracy that we're very proud of, the United States has provided over $67 million in assistance to help build Mongolia's health system. So what does that mean in practice? We help develop the influenza lab at the NCCD. Our Millennium Challenge Corporation's first compact enhanced Mongolia's capacity to prevent and diagnose and treat non-communicable diseases and injuries. We provide annual humanitarian assistance and disaster preparedness equipment, training, and joint exercises for Mongolia's first responders. We have donated state-of-the-art, fully equipped military field hospitals, and we've offered many Fulbright scholarships and exchange programs to help educate Mongolian healthcare practitioners. I can't, of course, forget to mention our Peace Corps volunteers. We're very proud of them too. And they have been offering health education in rural areas across Mongolia in the long time that they've been here. We know that families in Mongolia and in the United States are suffering. Businesses are closing, unemployment is rising. In order to help support Mongolia's economy, the U.S. government, through the USAID, U.S. Agency for International Development, recently provided 41.3 billion tugruk for a project called the Business Excellence for Sustainability and Transparency Program, or BEST. This program will help small and medium-sized enterprises succeed by helping them get access to capital and, equally important, to training on running sustainable businesses. So if you have a small or medium-sized business and you'd like to learn more about how we can help you through this program, please see Development Solutions or take a look at our website. We're also supporting Mongolian families with the Child Protection Compact. This historic partnership will strengthen the efforts of the Mongolian government, law enforcement, and prosecutors and NGOs to protect children and fight the scourge of child trafficking. I know that many of our staff at the embassy and Mongolians really everywhere are working from home while caring for and educating their children. We know that's sometimes challenging. Unfortunately, our American corners, the libraries, the outreach programs that we've had, they're closed. But we're trying to bring you free American cultural and educational programs, bring them to your living room online. We call it Amerikt Gerese, and we hope you find interesting and fun ways to pass the time and practice some English. You'll find concerts, museum tours, poetry, even virtual dance parties. There's so much of that, and it's really interesting. And we have some pretty cool surprises coming up too, so stay tuned, please. Thank you for joining me at home for this brief talk today. I really look forward to meeting you in person when we finally can. But in the meantime, please listen to Mongolia's healthcare authorities. Please practice social distancing, wash your hands, and let me know how you're doing in the comments below. As your friend and third neighbor, you can count on the U.S. government and our embassy to do our part. If we all take care of each other, we will get through this together. Bayatla. Thank you.